NRIs, India just made a tax move that directly benefits you. Big GST cuts are here. From September 2025, India switches to a simplified GST system, only 5% and 18% slab. And for the first time, two massive wins for NRIs. First is insurance. Zero GST on all health and life insurance, term plans, ULIPs, senior citizen policies, everything is going to be tax free. So, covering your parents' health or securing family protection in India just got cheaper for you. Previously, individual health and life insurance policies carried 18% GST since July 2017. But now, GST on these will be 0%, a full elimination of that 18% levy. I'll give you an example. A base premium of 20,000 came with 3600 GST, that is 18%, making the total 23,600 rupees. Now you will pay just 20,000, that's in 3600 saving, or around 15% less in total premium outflow. Then comes real estate, 18% GST on cement and construction materials. That means lower property prices, reducing building costs, and stronger infrastructure growth. Perfect time for NRIs eyeing Indian homes or property investments. I'll tell you, cement GST slashed from 28% to 18% as of September 2025, a 10 percentage point drop, reducing one of the largest cost components in constructions. Experts estimate these input tax cuts could reduce overall construction costs by 3% to 5%, especially impactful in affordable housing and smaller cities. So, as an NRI, zero tax on insurance plus cheaper real estate equals to direct benefits for you and your family back home. So, if you are planning to invest, this GST reform just made India more attractive. As an NRI, which sector are you eyeing after these GST cuts? Real estate, insurance, or something else? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to share this with your friends who need to know. If you found this video helpful, follow for more NRI finance updates, and I'll see you in the next video.